If you want to activate Calendly Pro features, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to upgrade your Calendly account to the professional plan, also known as Pro, so you can unlock the features you need for a more powerful scheduling setup. This is a simple process, and I'll keep it clear and beginner-friendly from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account using the account you want to upgrade. Once you're signed in, look for the Admin Center. This is where Calendly keeps the main account and billing settings, so that's the first place you need to go. After you open Admin Center, find and click Billing. This section is where you can view your current plan, manage subscriptions, and make changes to your account. Inside Billing, you should see an option that says Change Plan or Upgrade. Go ahead and click that. Calendly will then show you the available plans for your account. From the list of options, choose the Professional or Pro plan. This is the plan that activates the Pro features, so make sure you select the right one before moving forward. Next, Calendly may ask you to choose how many seats you want to add to your subscription. A seat usually means one user or one team member who needs access under the paid plan. Select the number of seats that fits your needs, whether you're upgrading just yourself or adding more people to your scheduling setup. After that, you'll need to choose your billing cycle. You can usually pick monthly or annual billing, depending on what works best for your budget and long-term plans. Once you've selected the plan, the number of seats, and the billing cycle, move on to the payment step. Enter your payment details carefully. Make sure your card or billing information is correct so the upgrade can go through without any issues. After that, Calendly will show you a review screen. Take a moment to double-check everything on the order summary. Review the plan, the number of seats, the billing term, and the total cost before you finalize anything. When everything looks right, click Upgrade or Complete Purchase. The exact button name may vary slightly depending on your account setup, but either way, this is the step that confirms your purchase and activates the Pro features on your Calendly account. Once the upgrade is complete, your account should now reflect the professional plan, and the premium features associated with it will be available for use. And that's it! You've now activated Calendly Pro features by upgrading your account through the billing settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.